Hey there, petrol heads! Ever wondered what happens when you shift gears in your car? It's like a dance between the engine and the wheels, and the gearbox is the choreographer. We're diving into the world of transmissions, those mechanical marvels that make your car go vroom. Today we'll be exploring two main types, manual and automatic. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple, no need for a PhD in engineering here. Think of it as a fun road trip through the world of gears and clutches. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a newbie eager to learn, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride. We'll break down the mechanics in a way that's easy to understand, even if you think a carburetor is a type of pasta. So are you ready to demystify the gearbox and become a true transmission whiz? Let's hit the road. Alright gearheads, let's talk about manual transmissions, the OG of gearboxes. Imagine you're driving a manual car. You've got three pedals, the accelerator, the brake, and the clutch. The clutch is the key to shifting gears smoothly. Think of the clutch as a referee in a wrestling match. When the clutch is pressed down, it disconnects the engine from the wheels, allowing you to change gears. Release the clutch slowly, and the engine and wheels connect again, transferring power for that satisfying acceleration. Now, about that gear stick, it's like a joystick for your car, letting you choose the right gear for the situation. Lower gears for starting off or climbing hills, higher gears for cruising at speed. It's all about finding the sweet spot for optimal power delivery. Mastering a manual transmission is like learning a new dance. It takes practice, coordination, and a bit of finesse. But once you get it, oh boy, the feeling of control is exhilarating. Now let's cruise into the world of automatic transmissions, the epitome of driving convenience. Automatic cars are like the cruise control of the transmission world. Smooth, effortless, and perfect for those who prefer a more relaxed driving experience. Instead of a clutch pedal, automatic transmissions use a clever device called a torque converter. Imagine it as a fluid coupling that seamlessly transfers power from the engine to the wheels. No more clutch control or manual gear changes. The automatic gearbox does all the thinking for you, shifting gears automatically based on your speed and driving conditions. Accelerate and it shifts up, decelerate and it shifts down. It's like having an invisible co-pilot managing your gears. For those who prioritize ease of driving and comfort, automatic transmissions are the way to go. They're perfect for city driving, stop-and-go traffic, and long highway cruises. Just sit back, relax, and let the car do the work. Here we see a 3D animation of a manual transmission in action. The clutch is being pressed, the gear stick is being moved, and the gears are meshing together. Watch closely as the parts work in harmony to transfer power from the engine to the wheels. Now let's switch to an automatic transmission. Notice the torque converter spinning, the fluid flowing, and the gears shifting automatically. This seamless process is what makes automatic driving so effortless. Both systems have their own unique beauty and functionality, don't you think? Section 5. Manual muscle. Power to the driver. Manual transmissions with their clutch pedals and gear sticks might seem like relics from a bygone era, but trust me, they offer a level of driver engagement that's hard to beat. First off, control. With a manual, you're in complete command of your car's power delivery. You decide when to shift, how aggressively to accelerate, and how to engine brake downhill. It's like conducting an orchestra of mechanical symphony. Then there's the fuel efficiency. Because you're in control of the gears, you can often achieve better fuel economy compared to an automatic, especially if you're a smooth shifter. Plus, manual cars tend to be lighter and simpler, which also contributes to fuel savings. And let's not forget the fun factor. There's a certain thrill to rowing through the gears, feeling the engine's power, and mastering the art of heel and toe downshifting. It's a driver's dance, a symphony of skill and coordination. Section 6. Automatic advantages, smooth and easy. Now let's give credit where credit's due. Automatic transmissions have come a long way, baby. They're smoother, more responsive, and offer a level of driving convenience that's hard to resist. First and foremost, ease of use. With an automatic, you can say goodbye to clutch control and gear changes. Simply put it in drive, and off you go. This makes driving less demanding, especially in heavy traffic or on long journeys. Modern automatics are also incredibly smooth. Gone are the days of clunky gear changes and laggy responses. Today's automatics shift gears seamlessly, providing a comfortable and refined driving experience. And let's not forget about safety. With an automatic, you can keep both hands on the wheel and your full attention on the road, which is always a good thing, right? Plus, features like Hill Start Assist make driving easier and safer for everyone. Section 7. Tales from the Road Manual versus Automatic. Picture this. I'm winding my way along a scenic mountain pass, the sun glinting off my Aston Martin. A man can dream, right? The manual gearbox is my weapon of choice, allowing me to exploit every ounce of power and enjoy the symphony of the engine. But then, I find myself stuck in rush hour traffic, my left leg cramping from all the clutch work. Suddenly, an automatic transmission sounds like a dream come true. Just imagine cruising effortlessly, sipping a latte and letting the car do the hard work. See, the choice between manual and automatic isn't always clear-cut. It depends on your driving style, your environment, and your personal preferences. Some days you crave the engagement of a manual, other days you just want to relax and let the car take the wheel, figuratively of course. Section 8. Choosing your drive. What's right for you? So, you're ready to buy a new car, but you're torn between a manual and an automatic. Fear not, my friend, for I am here to guide you. First, consider your driving environment. Do you frequently encounter heavy traffic? Are you a city dweller or a country cruiser? If you answered yes to either of those, an automatic might be the more practical choice. Next, think about your driving style. Do you enjoy being fully engaged in the driving experience, feeling every gear change and maximizing your control? If so, a manual might be your soulmate. But if you prioritize comfort, convenience, and ease of driving, then an automatic is your best bet. It's all about finding the transmission that best suits your needs and preferences. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about what makes you happy behind the wheel. Section 9. Happy motoring. Well, there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of the fascinating world of manual and automatic transmissions. We've covered the basics, explored the pros and cons, and hopefully given you the knowledge to choose the right transmission for your next automotive adventure. Remember, whether you prefer the hands-on engagement of a manual or the effortless convenience of an automatic, the most important thing is to enjoy the ride. So buckle up, choose your weapon, or should I say transmission, and get ready for miles of smiles. And always remember, keep your revs high and your spirits even higher. Happy motoring.